Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall applications on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button like this. After you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and find the icon of the application you want to uninstall. Once you find the icon, you can press and hold on it, and then you can tap on uninstall. Here you can tap on OK to confirm, and the app will be removed from your watch, like this. You can also do this through settings, so you can scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, tap on it, then find the apps option, like this, and tap on it. And here scroll down, find the app list, tap on it, wait until the list is done loading, and once it's done you can scroll through the list of apps, find the app you want to uninstall, tap on it. So for example this one, then scroll down and find the uninstall button, and once you find it, tap on the uninstall button, tap on the check mark to confirm, and the app will be removed from your watch. And then we can press the power button to go back to watch face. And that's how you uninstall applications on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.